Hey there, wonderful friends, and welcome to Garden Homes. I'm so glad you're joining me today, because we're about to work some serious garden magic on a shoestring budget. If you've ever strolled through the garden center, drooled over those stunning planter boxes, and thought, there's no way I can afford that, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm revealing how you can totally transform your outdoor space for just $10, using only Dollar Tree finds. Seriously. No fancy tools, no special skills, and absolutely no need to spend a fortune. We're diving into a lineup of easy creative planter box DIYs that anyone can do, no matter your experience level. Each idea is designed to be budget-friendly, fun, and most importantly, look like you spent way more than you did. Whether your vibe is rustic, modern, or somewhere in between, there's a project here just for you. Hey, if you love DIY projects as much as we do, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like, and comment below with your favorite garden hack or something you want to try next. Your support helps this community grow, and brings even more inspiration your way every week. Stick around, because I'll be sharing pro tips and little hacks throughout the video to help you make these Dollar Tree planter boxes look absolutely high-end, ready to get your hands dirty and create something beautiful for under $10. Let's jump right in. Idea Gen 1, Wooden Crate Planter Glow Up. This rustic wooden crate transformation will fool everyone into thinking you spent serious money at an upscale garden center. Materials list: Dollar Tree wooden crate, sandpaper, wood stain or paint, plastic liner, potting soil, drainage rocks, small plants or seeds. Sand the crate lightly to smooth rough edges. Apply wood stain or paint in thin, even coats and let dry completely. Line the inside with plastic, poking drainage holes in the bottom. Add a layer of rocks for drainage. Then fill with potting soil. Plant your flowers or herbs, leaving space for growth. Water gently and place in desired location. Your Dollar Tree crate now looks like an expensive farmhouse planter that could easily cost $50 at boutique stores. Use coffee grounds mixed with stain for an aged, weathered look that costs nothing extra. Idea Gen 2 Plastic Storage Bin. Garden Box. Nobody will guess this sleek, modern planter started as a basic plastic storage bin from the Dollar Tree cleaning aisle. Materials list: large plastic storage bin, drill with bits, spray paint, landscape fabric, potting soil, drainage gravel, plants or seeds of choice. Drill multiple drainage holes in the bottom and lower sides of the bin. Clean thoroughly and let dry. Apply primer if needed, then spray paint in thin, even coats. Let cure completely between coats. Line bottom with landscape fabric to prevent soil loss. Add drainage layer, then quality potting soil. Plant your selections, water well, and position in your garden space. This modern, sleek planter box looks like it came from an expensive garden center, not the Dollar Tree. Use textured spray paint to mimic expensive ceramic or stone finishes for added elegance. Idea Gen 3, Colander Hanging Planter. Turn a simple Dollar Tree colander into the most charming hanging planter that looks straight from a European garden cafe. Materials list: metal colander, coconut fiber liner or moss, chain or rope, potting soil, trailing plants like petunias or ivy, small rocks. Line the colander with coconut fiber or moss, pressing firmly against sides and bottom. The natural drainage holes are perfect for plants. Fill with a layer of small rocks, then add potting soil. Plant trailing flowers or herbs, allowing some to cascade through the holes. Attach sturdy chain or rope to handles. Water carefully to avoid overflow. Then hang in desired location. This whimsical hanging garden creates instant cottage charm and looks like an expensive boutique find, not Dollar Tree. Plant strawberries for an edible hanging garden that produces fruit all season long. Idea Gen 4 Rope-Wrapped Chic Container. Transform any plain Dollar Tree container into a high-end coastal-style planter, using just rope and hot glue magic. Materials list: plastic container, natural rope or twine, hot glue gun and sticks, scissors, plastic liner, potting soil, plants, small decorative stones. Start at the bottom of your container and apply hot glue in small sections. Wrap rope tightly around the container, pressing firmly as you go. Continue wrapping upward, keeping rows tight and even. Trim excess rope, and secure the end with extra glue. Add plastic liner with drainage holes, then rocks and soil. Plant your selections and water gently. Your rope-wrap planter now has that expensive coastal boutique look that would typically cost $30 or more. Mix different rope textures or add shells between rows for extra coastal charm. Idea Gen 5 Tiered Ladder Planter Stand. Create a stunning multi-level garden display using Dollar Tree step stools that looks like expensive tiered garden furniture. Materials list: 2 wooden step stools, wood stain or paint, multiple small planters, potting soil, various plants, sandpaper, wood screws if needed. Sand both step stools lightly, and apply stain or paint for a cohesive look. Let dry completely. Position the larger stool as your base, then place the smaller one on top at an angle for visual interest. Arrange various sized planters on each level, mixing heights and plant types. Fill planters with soil and your chosen plants. Water carefully to prevent dripping onto lower level. This tiered garden display creates impressive vertical interest and looks like designer outdoor furniture costing hundreds of dollars. Add battery-operated string lights between levels for magical evening garden ambiance that cost pennies. Idea Gen 6. Painted Terracotta Pot Makeover. Transform boring terracotta pots into stunning designer pieces with just paint. This makeover will fool everyone into thinking you spent big money. Materials list: Dollar Tree terracotta pots, acrylic paint in multiple colors, foam brushes, painter's tape, clear outdoor sealer, potting soil, drainage rocks, plants. Clean pots thoroughly and let dry. Use painter's tape to create geometric patterns or stripe. Apply base coat and let dry completely. Add accent colors or metallic details. Remove tape carefully for crisp lines. Apply clear sealer for weather protection. Add drainage rocks. Fill with soil and plant your favorite. Display proudly knowing you created designer-looking planters for under $5 each. Your plain pots now look like expensive boutique finds with bold colors and patterns that add instant personality to any space. Mix colors while wet for ombre effects, or use stencils for professional-looking designs. Idea Gen 7 Fabric-Covered Planter Box. Turn a basic plastic planter into a cozy textured masterpiece using fabric. This technique creates expensive-looking results for pennies. Materials list: Dollar Tree plastic planter box, outdoor fabric or canvas, fabric glue or spray adhesive, scissors, measuring tape, potting soil, drainage rocks, plants. Measure planter dimensions and cut fabric with 2-inch overlap on all sides. Clean planter surface completely. Apply adhesive in sections, smoothing fabric as you go to avoid wrinkles. Fold corners neatly like wrapping a gift. Trim excess fabric and secure edges with extra glue. Let cure completely before adding drainage rocks, soil and plant. Your boring plastic box now has soft texture and beautiful patterns that bring warmth and style to any indoor or outdoor space. Use waterproof outdoor fabric for longevity or change seasonally for fresh looks year-round. Idea Gen 8 Mosaic Tile Planter. Create stunning mosaic planters using Dollar Tree glass gems that sparkle in sunlight. These look like expensive art pieces from boutique stores. Materials list: Dollar Tree planter, glass gems or mosaic tiles, strong craft adhesive, grout, optional, damp sponge potting soil, drainage rocks, chosen plants. Clean and dry planter completely. Plan your design by arranging gems before gluing. Apply strong adhesive to small sections and press gems firmly. Work in manageable areas to prevent adhesive from drying. For authentic mosaic look, apply grout between gems and wipe excess with damp sponge. Let cure fully before adding drainage layer, soil and plant. Your planter now catches every ray of light with brilliant colors and textures that create stunning focal points throughout your garden. Use broken ceramic plates or mirrors for unique patterns with zero additional cost. Idea Gen 9 Chalkboard Paint Label Planter. Add functional style to your garden with planters featuring built-in chalkboard labels. Perfect for organized gardeners who love customizable decor. Materials list: Dollar Tree planter, chalkboard paint, painter's tape, small paintbrush, chalk or chalk markers, potting soil, drainage rocks, herbs or flowering plants. Use painter's tape to section off rectangle or fun shape on planter side. Apply chalkboard paint in thin even coats for best coverage. Let each coat dry completely before applying next. Remove tape carefully when final coat is dry. Add drainage rocks and soil, then plant your selections. Write plant names or fun messages on chalkboard area. Your simple planter now doubles as changeable signage, keeping your garden organized while adding charming farmhouse-style functionality to every corner. Try colored chalkboard paint for variety or use chalk markers for smudge-proof writing. Idea Gen 10. Drainage rock bottom system. Stop killing plants with overwatering. This simple drainage system using Dollar Tree rocks keeps roots healthy and plants thriving all season long. Materials list: Dollar Tree planter, decorative rocks or pebbles, landscape fabric or coffee filter, scissors, potting soil, plants of your choice for the space. Place generous layer of rocks in planter bottom, about 1 to 2 inches deep. Cut landscape fabric to fit over rocks. This prevents soil from washing down while allowing drainage. Add quality potting soil on top of fabric barrier. Plant your selections, leaving proper spacing for growth. Water normally, knowing excess moisture drains away easily. Your plants now thrive in perfectly drained soil, preventing root rot and creating lush, healthy growth that lasts throughout the growing season. Reuse broken pottery pieces or aquarium gravel for free drainage materials that work perfectly. Idea Gen 11. Vertical wall planter. Transform any boring fence or blank wall into a lush living vertical garden, using only Dollar Tree supplies, perfect for small patios or balcony spaces. Materials list: Dollar Tree wooden crates, or plastic bins, zip ties or sturdy hooks, landscape fabric, staple gun, potting soil, small plants or succulents, wall mounting hardware, scissors, and a watering can for easy maintenance. Lay out your crates or bins in a vertical arrangement to plan your design. Attach them to your wall or fence, using zip ties or hooks, ensuring each is secure. Line each compartment with landscape fabric, securing with a staple gun to prevent soil loss. Fill each with potting soil, then plant small flowers or succulents. Water thoroughly and check for drainage. Add more rows as desired to expand your living wall and create a stunning vertical garden effect. A plain wall is instantly transformed into a vibrant, space-saving vertical garden, turning unused vertical space into a lush, eye-catching focal point. Use trailing plants on top rows for a cascading effect and maximize visual impact. Idea Gen 12 Drawer Organizer. Herb box. Repurpose Dollar Tree drawer organizers to create a clever segmented herb garden. Grow multiple fresh herbs right on your kitchen windowsill, all in one tidy box. Materials list: Dollar Tree plastic drawer organizers, drill, landscape fabric, potting soil, herb seedlings or seeds, waterproof tray, plant markers, scissors, and a spray bottle for gentle watering. Drill small drainage holes in the bottom of each organizer compartment. Line each section with landscape fabric to prevent soil escape. Fill each compartment with potting soil. Then plant a different herb in every section: basil, parsley, thyme, and more. Label each herb using plant markers. Place the organizer on a waterproof tray to catch drips and set in a sunny window. Water lightly, ensuring each herb's needs are met for healthy growth. Your countertop or windowsill becomes a chef's dream, a neat, organized herb box with fresh flavors ready for every meal all year long. Group herbs by watering needs for easier care and more consistent growth in each section. Materials list: Dollar Tree plastic planters, decorative pebbles or river rocks, strong outdoor adhesive, grout, optional, sponge, gloves, potting soil, drainage rocks, and your favorite plants or flowers. Clean and dry the planter thoroughly. Working in sections. Apply outdoor adhesive to the planter's exterior. Press pebbles or rocks firmly into the glue, covering the surface evenly. If using grout, fill gaps between stones and wipe away excess with a damp sponge. Allow everything to dry and cure completely. Add drainage rocks inside, fill with potting soil, and plant your chosen greenery. The result is a sturdy, realistic stone effect. A basic plastic pot is unrecognizable. Now a stylish stone look planter that adds sophistication and texture to any garden or patio. Mix pebble colors and sizes for a more natural, organic stone appearance. Materials list: Dollar Tree metal buckets, drill, rust-resistant spray paint, optional, rope or twine, strong adhesive, drainage rocks, potting soil, seasonal flowers, and sandpaper for distressing. Drill several small drainage holes in the bottom of each bucket. Clean the buckets, and if desired, spray with rust-resistant paint for extra durability. Wrap rope or twine around the rim and secure with adhesive for a rustic touch. Add a layer of drainage rocks, then fill with potting soil. Plant colorful flowers like petunias or daisies. Lightly sand edges for a distressed, vintage look. Arrange buckets at different heights for a dynamic display. Ordinary metal buckets become charming, weathered flower boxes, adding a touch of countryside elegance to any outdoor or indoor space. Stress paint and rope for a vintage look that enhances the farmhouse aesthetic. Idea 15 Upcycled Basket Planter. Give Dollar Tree baskets a second life as beautiful boho planters. Add texture and warmth to your garden or home with this easy upcycle. Materials list: Dollar Tree wicker or plastic baskets, plastic liner bags, coconut fiber liner, scissors, drainage rocks, potting soil, trailing or upright plants and moss for extra style. Line your basket with a plastic bag, poking small holes for drainage. Add a coconut fiber liner for natural texture and to retain soil. Place a layer of drainage rocks at the bottom, then fill with potting soil. Plant trailing or upright plants depending on your style. Add moss around the edges for a lush, professional finish. Set baskets on a plant stand or hang for added interest. Simple baskets are reborn as chic, bohemian planters, bringing organic texture and personality to patios, balconies, or cozy indoor corners. Double line with moss and coconut fiber for better drainage and a designer greenhouse look. Transforming your garden doesn't have to break the bank. These DIY planter projects are proof that you can achieve gorgeous high-end looks for less than $10 per plant. With just a few Dollar Tree finds and a bit of creativity, you can completely refresh your outdoor space on a shoestring budget. Imagine how many unique, personalized planters you could make for the price of a single store-bought pot. Your dream garden is totally within reach. I can't wait to see what you create. Try out any of these DIYs and be sure to share your photos or results in the comments below. I read every single comment and absolutely love seeing your unique spins and clever ideas. It's honestly the highlight of my week. Your creativity inspires not just me but the whole Garden Homes community. So which planter are you most excited to try first? Are you leaning toward the Mosaic Sparkle, the cozy fabric-wrapped box, or maybe you have your own Dollar Tree garden hack that deserves a spotlight? Share your thoughts, tips, or questions below. I'd love to feature your ideas in future videos. If you enjoyed these affordable transformations, make sure you subscribe for fresh, easy DIY inspiration every week. You'll join a community of fellow creators who love making their homes and gardens beautiful on a budget, plus you'll never miss a new project or clever hack. And get ready for the next episode. We're diving into backyard lighting with even more Dollar Tree magic. You'll learn how to create that dreamy professional outdoor ambiance for pennies. So stay tuned because you definitely don't want to miss it. Keep creating, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.